I love the excitement of Manav Sutar, but Shubman, many congratulations on the win. Your immediate thoughts?
I think a complete win from our side. Ticked all the boxes. So very happy with that.
And when you came into today, many of us felt maybe you might have a bat. Was the decision to enforce the follow-on unanimous? Because at the end of the day, it's pretty hot here.
No, it was very hot. We decided if we get them before lunch or just after the first drinks, we'll see if the bowlers are fresh. We'll give them a follow-on. If not, we'll bat couple of sessions and maybe at the end of the play, we'll give them a ball again. But we got quick wickets. We came back, and also the way our fast bowlers bowled, Siraj got us that crucial wicket when we gave them a follow, and Prasidh got 3 important wickets.
And just coming to the spinners, you had a trio of them. What were your impressions the way they bowled?
Very well, the kind of quality I think Manav, Washi and Kuldeep has, all three of them, there was never any doubt. It's all about getting the experience and getting number of overs and seeing, on wickets like these, how to set the batsman up, keep varying the pace, keep testing the batsman in different areas.
And also, when you look at your side, it's a young side. We've spoken about the team being in transition. What do you think India as a team and you as a captain need to do to take this team forward?
I'd say pretty simple. When you're batting first innings, try to post 350 on the board every time you get into bat, no matter where we are playing, what kind of conditions it is. I think there's enough trust in our bowling group that we can take 20 wickets anywhere whenever there's a transition. We feel the batting group is under more pressure, and we are trying to get experience. We are trying to build here to see what kind of game can work for us as a batting group, and in different conditions and different situations, how can we keep posting regularly 350, 400 totals on the board.
Lovely, Shubman. Many congratulations on this big win. May I request you to go and collect the IDFC First Bank Test Trophy from Mr. Gurmeet Singh Meet Khair, please.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.